Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, I feel like Walgreens finally has a really good week. I'm gonna walk you through all the deals that I did, and I actually did all of these as a curbside pickup. You could do it in store if you want, but I'll tell you exactly how I did it. I'm also gonna show you some awesome grocery deals that are going on. There is a code right now, Cyber30, that's taking 30% off any of the non-sale items. So this is a great time to stock up on some of the just regular price stuff at Walgreens, but with that 30% off makes it cheaper than your grocery store. So I'll tell you about a few of those deals that I found. I also want to tell you about a couple of things that I found as like Black Friday deals that are still ongoing. Let's start with that. So first of all, I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I got to celebrate with my family on Friday and it was lovely. We ate a lot of food that my mom cooks, and then we played a game of Family Feud, which was lots of fun. But I was looking at, because it was Friday when we were celebrating, which is Black Friday, I was looking for deals and found a number of awesome deals that I've been posting to the community tab, to Instagram, to Facebook, pretty much all the places. But a couple I want to mention in the video today. One, you can snag a $200 Restaurantcom gift card for just $18.88 with the link I'm going to drop below. I've used those gift certificates in the past without any issue, but you could jump on the Restaurantcom website and enter your zip code and see what restaurants are participating around you. And if you see a few that y'all visit frequently, it might be a good time to grab a $200 gift certificate for $18.88, and then you redeem those that $200 for different certificates on the Restaurant.com site. Another one I want to mention that's just a fun gift idea is the First Leaf Wine Club. You can get 6 bottles of wine for $29.95. It is a subscription, but you can cancel at any time. I did this one a couple of years ago, and I ended up canceling after that first shipment of 6 bottles. But I wanted to tell you about that again. I will drop that link down below for you guys to snag that deal. Last thing I want to tell you about before I talk about the deals, Brand Club, the app Brand Club. Y'all know I use it for Walmart, for Target, for Amazon. Now, I just get little bits of cash back every once in a while, 10 cents, 39 cents, 78 cents, but it adds up over time on items that I'm buying anyway. And so I do recommend the app, but what I want to mention is that they currently have a $20 sign-up bonus, and the app is completely free. So use my link. You're going to get $20 when you sign up. Again, completely free, and you link your Target, your Walmart, or your Amazon account and then sync. Now, I do have a complete tutorial on the Brand Club app. I can drop that link down below as well if you want to walk through of how the app works. But I want to mention that because normally it's a $10 sign up. Right now it is double. So that is a huge offer that you want to take advantage of if you've been considering the app. Okay, let's start with a super simple deal. The Arm & Hammer. So these are just on sale, $1.99. It's these, the laundry detergent packs, or the like scent beads, all $1.99, no coupons needed. Now, this one is kind of interesting. This is the Walgreens Deep Puffing Under Eye mask. Now, these are $1.99 or 3 for $5. For some reason, there is a $5 digital attaching. So if you pick up one of them, that $5 digital is going to automatically adjust down to $1.99 if you're doing it as a curbside order, making one of them completely free. Now, I picked up 5 of them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I picked up 5 of them. And then the coupon adjusted to where I paid 82 cents for all 5. And I was okay with paying 82 cents for 5 versus just getting 1 for free because I thought these would be cute in like little gift baskets. but that is how that deal works. Now, the coupon says L'Oreal, I believe, so this could go away at any time, but this was a participating item this morning when I was checking out. What do I want to tell you about next? Let's talk about the finish. So the finish is $4.99. There is a $1.50 coupon, as well as a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. Now, double check your Ibotta app. I actually did this one last night. So, of course, mine is gone this morning because I redeemed it last night, but that offer should still be there, making this just $1.99, which is a great price for the Finish product. Now, this one here, the Walgreens Soothe, it's like the Walgreens brand PeptoBismol. I've had a $2 like only for you coupon for a while. This is $3.29. I didn't want to pay $1.29 for it because it's not a product that I use, but with that Cyber 30 code, it takes off another 39 cents, making it just 90 cents. So I want to mention it in case this is a product that anyone needs or likes to have on hand. Under $1 is a great price. Now, the Zantac, I know this isn't a product that everyone needs, but I wanted to share it with you because it is a really good deal. $12.49. There's a $3 digital as well as a $4 store digital, so that's $7 in coupons. Then that Cyber 30 code is going to take off $1.65, making you pay $3.84. But there's also a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta. So your final cost for this is $3.59, and it gets you an offer on Ibotta. Great price. Another Ibotta offer is on this Trident gum. The Trident Mega is 3 for $3. There's a 50-cent digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.50, but there's a $1.99 rebate on Ibotta for when you buy 2. So you buy 3, and you're going to get $1.99 back on Ibotta, making your final cost 51 cents for all 3 packs, or just 17 cents per pack. Now, if you are brand new to Ibotta, you can score $10 with my referral code. And again, Ibotta is completely free. Now, the panty liners, this was a just for you coupon. Again, these are priced at $2.99. There was a $2 just for you coupon that I had, so that brings my cost down to 99 cents. I used the code Cyber30, which took off another 30 cents, making my final cost on this box just 60 cents. Now, super awesome deal on these Nivea creams. So either the white little tins or the blue ones. They are buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get $3 in Walgreens cash. So yes, you can do it curbside. You can do it in store. You can pay with Walgreens cash. You're still going to get the Walgreens cash back. So 2 of them are going to cost you $1.93. And you're going to get $3 in Walgreens cash back, making it $1.07 moneymaker for every 2 you purchase. Now, my store had a ton. I only grabbed 4 of them because I wanted to leave some for other people. But you could technically buy as many as you want. You're going to get $3 Walgreens cash with each 2 that you purchase. Now, on to some food deals. These Planters nuts. I grabbed the cashews. There's like mixed nuts, peanuts. There's all sorts of nuts. They're $4.99. There's a $2 digital coupon. I used the code Cyber30, so I paid $2.09 for this can of cashews. Now, this was just a great deal with that Cyber30 code. The Nice brand K-Cups. They're $4.99 regular price. The Cyber 30 code is going to take off $1.50, leaving you to pay $3.49 for a 12-pack of K-Cups. The Splenda Diabetes, if this is a product that you need, again, great deal with that Cyber 30 code. It's $9.99, so Cyber 30 is going to take off $3, leaving you to pay $6.99, getting back $3 on Ibotta, making your final cost $3.99. Now, I did not check coupons.com or their website. Double check because there may be $3 coupons on there, making your final cost just 99 cents, but I forgot to check before I started doing the video. Now, the PopTarts. Super easy deal. They're just buy one, get one free, and that makes it cheaper than the grocery store. So buy two at $4.49. You're going to get that buy one, get one free sale is going to come off. So you'll pay $4.49 for both of them, or just $2.24 each. You could use your Walgreens cash to pay for any of this. I did not use a digital booster because mine was spend 50, get 10, and I didn't want to spend 50. I wanted to be able to pay with my Walgreens cash this week. So I didn't use a digital booster. I did, however, use one last night, which when you heard me say that I picked something up last night, the Finish, that's because I had that spend 10, get 10 just for those 3 days right after Thanksgiving. So that was an amazing deal. Don't be mad at me if you didn't have the coupon. I don't know why I got it and other people did not. Now, the Oats, these are $5.29. If you're doing it as a curbside order, you can use the code CYBER30 and get $1.59 off, leaving you to pay $3.70, getting back $2 on Ibotta when you submit your receipt there, making your final cost $1.70. Now, you can use the code CYBER30 for a curbside order. You do have to be able to get a receipt in order to submit to the rebate apps. My store still gives me a receipt. If your store will not give you a receipt, then you're not going to want to do the deals that require Ibotta unless you are physically in the store, and then you'll get a receipt. Now, the Barilla pasta, it is $1.98 a box. We're going to grab 2 boxes. There's $1 digital. Use that code CYBER30. It's going to take 90 cents off, leaving us to pay $2.08. I also submitted my receipt to the Makina app and got a quarter back there as well, making my final cost $1.83 or just 91 cents per box. Anything under $1 is amazing price for this pasta. Now, the Makina app has like lots of organic products and better for you products. So it's less well known than some of the other apps, but if you're brand new to it, of course it's free. Use my referral code and you'll score, I believe it's an additional $1 when you scan that first receipt. Now, the last deal I want to tell you about that I did was this Everyday Shea body lotion. Now, it's $9.99. There's a $3 digital. There is a $5 digital. They're both going to apply. You use that code CYBER30. It's going to take 60 cents off. That leaves you to pay $1.39. Now, on my Merryfield app, I had a $2.50 rebate, and it said specifically for the Everyday Shea lotion. So when I submitted my receipt, it didn't recognize it. I don't know why, and I submitted it to them like as a question, and it had me scan the barcode, and it's like, oh, we've never seen this product before. So I did send them a message, and I'm hoping that it gets approved because that would make it completely free and $1.11 moneymaker. As of this morning, of course, they haven't responded yet. It's a Sunday and early in the morning. But I can let you know if it does, in fact, process. If not, you're left to pay $1.39 for a product that is originally $9.99. Now, Merryfield. It has better for you brands as well. I like that app a lot. It gives you points back into your account, and then you can cash out to gift cards. If you want to check it out, use this referral code here because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt, and it does give you some money back for any receipt, and then they have additional offers that will give you more points back. Now, a couple other deals that I did not do that I found and thought were decent deals to tell you about. The apple juice, the nice apple juice is $3.79. If you use the code CYBER30, it's going to take $1.14 off, making your final cost $2.65. As well as brown sugar. I know lots of people are doing cooking and baking for the holidays. It's originally $1.29. Use that code CYBER30. It's going to take 39 cents off, leaving you to pay just 90 cents a box. And I'm pretty sure that's cheaper than what my grocery store is selling brown sugar for. Now, I think that was everything. If y'all have questions, drop them down in the comment section below. If you're finding other deals that are amazing, definitely drop those in the comment section below. I love it when you guys help each other out and alert other people of deals that are going on. And that was it. All right, I hope you guys have a great week. Check out the end of the video where I'll post all of the clearance pictures. Thanks.